In this video, I'll show you how to find new Zksync Memecoins on Dexscreener. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to the channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, what you need to do, you need to be logged in to your Dex, right? Once you have been logged in already, what you need to do, you need to gradually click on this, right? This is the Zkscync, right? So for you to be able to find the new meme coins, right, what you need to click on these meme coins, right? Once I click on the meme coins, wait for it to load up. We're going to see if there are new meme coins that have been launched there. You can see right here, just for meme coins, this one with a market cap of 4 billion. I don't think this is real, right? So this is basically how you can find new meme coins on this blockchain. If you find this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.